Good afternoon and welcome to the African Queen Boat Cruise. My name is Nadia and I am pleased to be your guide as we tour around Water Safari Lake. Just a friendly reminder, there's no eating, drinking, or smoking on the boat, as well as I ask that you please remain seated with your arms and legs well within the boat at all times. Please note the following is a scenic tour around Water Safari Lake and not an animal display. Therefore, at certain times during the season or for breeding purposes, some animals might not be on display. The lake we're touring on is a natural spring-fed lake with man-made islands. It is home to 4 species of fish, including large and smallmouth bass, catfish, and sunfish, as well as some snakes, frogs, and muskrats. The deepest part of our lake is about 6 to 7 feet deep in the center. As we're touring the lake and how you may have seen around the park, we have a lot of geese. The Canada goose is the most common type of goose in North America and is easily recognized by its brown body plumage, black head and neck, and prominent white cheek patch. Every spring, approximately 100 breeding pairs migrate to African lion safari from their wintering grounds in the southern United States, explaining why we have so many Canadian geese here. Ahead of us, you'll see some baby goslings. The gosling's fur is yellow and brown, and this is to protect them, or to camouflage them amongst the grass, protecting them from predators. And on the right-hand side, you'll see some geese eggs. Their nests are built close to the water's edge, and 4 to 6 creamy white eggs like the ones you see there are incubated for 28 days. Right ahead of us, you'll notice a mute swan. Mute swans have orange bills with black around their nostril area. They have bright white feathers and are said to possess around 25,000 feathers on their body. Their name comes from the fact that these swans are quiet during flight and communicate with grunts and barks. Our tour is now coming to an end. As we approach the docking area, I ask again that you please remain seated with your arms and legs well within the boat until the boat has come to a full and complete stop, is securely attached to the docking area, and I have opened the gates for you. Once I open the gates, you're welcome to get up and exit the boat on your right-hand side. The only way this boat docks is by bumping the dock, so please remain seated and expect some bumps. If you have any questions about the tour or safari in general, I'd be happy to try and answer them for you. I'd like to thank you for coming to African Lion Safari today, and I hope you enjoy the remainder of your stay here on safari.